Hey, what's going on everybody? John here, you're watching In the Loop Travel. Thanks for checking out the channel. I'm sailing with Swan Hellenic in Svalbard. This is an archipelago in Norway, the land of the midnight sun. That's pretty much the sun we get all day long up here. And this is the cruise ship SH Diana, the new expedition ship, a luxury ship. And this is going to be your ship tour. It is a 9-deck high ship. We are right here on the stargazing deck at the very top to start this tour. This is where you come up and have some great views from the very top of the ship, looking forward toward the back of the bridge there. And you have some loungers. You can come up here and enjoy the views, but most of the stuff is down below. So let's head on down to deck 8 and continue from there. I'm at the very back of deck 8, and this looks down onto the pool deck there on deck 7. And here you have a few outdoor seats to sit up here, enjoy the views and the weather when it's cooperating. Some seating available on this side as well. Out to each side of the ship you'll see they have their nice tender boats, and we'll walk our way back toward the front here. Some loungers here. This is the deck 8, where you'll find the spa inside and the gym. It's a little plunge hot tub whirlpool here, so that's cool. Some more seats available here, and there's the bridge. Let's head inside, check out the gym and everything else. I've stepped inside here on deck 8, and you can see the atrium has the staircases that go between floors, and also this is where you find the 2 elevators that go up and down the ship. And this is the wellness center. A restroom here on the right. You enter their lobby area. Gym to the left. Spa to the right. We have a steam room, sauna, and showers. We saw the changing rooms with lockers. Here's the gym. There's a nice variety of equipment here. Cardio. Some bikes here. Looking out to the waters. Got your towels. This is one of the water bottle filling stations you'll find on board. That, and down in the mudroom base camp they have some water bottle filling stations, and you have your weights and resistance training area over here. And this side has another door, and that is a little thermal suite. A couple of treatment rooms for the massages. Relaxing area to wait, or just come and enjoy some quiet time during a cruise. And you access the outer deck from in this area as well, straight out to that whirlpool. And the spa even features a salon where you can get haircuts and other treatments. Moving forward on deck 7 from the midship atrium, you enter the observation lounge. And just to the right as you enter is a little boutique selling logo wear, t-shirts, hats, some other items. Here they have some pens and knife sets. And over here you have some cold weather gear like some beanies. Extra water bottles if you want to buy another one. They do provide you with water bottle for your trip as well as a parka and a backpack. The lounge is in here, a really nice spacious lounge, all the great views up here. There is an observation bar over here and an information desk. So you can get information about your expedition. The lounge has, you can see a variety of great seating. This is where you have your enrichment talks, daily recaps, briefings about the next day's activities, some games and puzzles provided. Entertainment happens here at night with the piano player over in this area. And then it also has a little outdoor deck when we step outside. But before I head out there, I want to show you, real convenience is the power available in the lounge. So you have charging ports, USB and plugs set up on the consoles between the seatings everywhere. There's a deck area right at the front of the ship, just outside the observation lounge. So we have stepped right outside here. Even better views though, you descend this staircase down to deck 6. This is a very cool showcase bow area. You have some spots here you can gather to look and observe wildlife. But the best spot, right out front here, a couple extra propellers there. You come through the majestic archway and you are at the very, very front of the ship, as far out over as the water as you can get. Pretty cool. And that has a view back up to the bridge right there. Starboard side on deck 7, when you step outside from the midship atrium, they got what they call the Swan's Nest. It's a promenade area only on this side, which has some lounge spaces to be outdoors, but it is for people who want to enjoy smoking. So this is the area on the ship for them to be out here. You can see they got 3 spots for that. Walking toward the back on deck 7, you do have a public restroom area off here. Then you are entering the club lounge. And there's some other areas back here. This is the casual restaurant. You can see here, this is a beverage service station, open 24 hours, coffees, teas, and juices. And they do place cookies and some fruit out for you, available 24 hours. But here's the buffet, lunch, breakfast, early risers breakfast will be up here in this space. There's some good tables here. You can see you can just relax during the day as well. And also the seating right by the windows here. Variety of seating styles. That leads right to the aft on deck 7. And outside there's the club grill. And that also has food available. We have pizza, burgers, hot dogs. There's a bar service here. Nice big bar stools. Outdoor seating. And then you have your nice little infinity pool. Now decks 6, 5, and most of 4 are for passenger cabins, and they've got some nice spots here in the atrium areas, little relaxation areas. But I will move down to deck 4, show you guest services, and then we'll finish up at the bottom of the ship. Deck 4 is where you will find the ship's main restaurant, Swan Restaurant. Head inside and check that out. The check-in area for the maitre d' right here at the front of the restaurant. And then you can have a look around. There's public restrooms here. And you've got a variety of seating in this space as well. A buffet setup they can use during breakfast and lunch. And you see all the booths, tables by the windows. And over in this space you have the Swan Room, which is a more intimate dining area you can reserve to dine with larger groups of friends or family, or to have celebrations, just off to the side of the Swan Restaurant. Then back outside here on deck 4 is the main lobby. This is the embarkation area. On embarkation day you will enter here and find the guest services area in this area. Good morning. And then some more guest staterooms back here. And I do want to show you there is a laundrette, self-serve laundry that you can use on board. Here's the ship's laundry area. So this is a nice amenity for travelers who want to tidy up a little bit, do their laundry mid-cruise, or get it taken care of before they head back home even. Some ironing boards, and it has detergent and everything on these washing machines, paired up with dryers. This is the ship's base camp where you launch the tender operations from this area, and they have a bit of a mudroom on this side with the lockers where you can store your boots and expedition gear, all numbered according to your stateroom. This ship has a nice little library in here, also down on deck 3. All kinds of books, reference materials, and a nice little space to hang out. They have some games up here, sketchbooks, and some space to work at desks if you need to. This is the ship's expedition lab, opposite of the library space. We have little learning sessions in here. Finally, you will find the doctor's office right down here at the bottom of the ship on deck 3 as well. We save that space for last because we don't ever want to use that one, but there you go. There's your full ship tour of the beautiful SH Diana from Swan Hellenic. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.